Hello my friends, welcome to Plain and Chisel Woodworks. I almost forgot to do this video. I told you I was going to do a final walkthrough of the shelf after it was put together. So, bookshelf I guess, here it is. It turned out really well. So the things I'm going to critique, there are things I need to improve on, but I want to make sure I stress that I really do like how this turned out. There's a few things. Again, I pointed out this before. The gap here on this top corner up here was because I misaligned the groove on the top, so I was not able to get that closed up. And then I did have a bit of a problem. You won't be able to see this on the camera. The finish on the top was giving me a lot of problems. What happens is this here is duller. I think it might be more to do with how the grain is. I forgot what they call the term where from the grain reflecting light. So I think that is actually okay, but that was one of the things I did struggle with. I fixed it now, but I didn't put enough coats of shellac on to begin with. I put 3 coats like I normally do, but I cut the shellac in half with alcohol. So because I kept having problems with drips and things like that before, and streaks. So I wanted to try to make thinner coats. So I should have put on more shellac to begin with. What happened was when I did that and I started waxing, all the grain pores got filled up. You can't see them now because I fixed it. But they all had a white, they all looked white. So every single pore that wasn't filled was very visible. So I had to go back through, polish everything out, I polished it with shellac so that the alcohol would move the wax out of those pores. So it probably took me, hours. I probably spent 4 hours on buffing it with a little pad with shellac and alcohol. Real thin layer of shellac. And then I had to go back through and polish it with wax again. So I need to work on finishing. Finishing is probably my weakest point. But all in all, the bookcase came out really, really nicely. The back here, I'm going to show you what that looks like. Like I said, I forgot, so this thing's in my truck already. So the back of this, I didn't spend as much time on polishing because it is a back. But it's got all the same coats as the front does. But one thing I wish I would have done is labeled these a little better. Writing with pencil on the dark wood, and after it had the finish put on it, it was really hard to see the numbers. Now I did see them, so I was able to put them back in the right order. But I need to figure out another way to label these for the future. And so yeah, that's how that turned out. But like I said, all in all, this bookcase turned out really nicely. My wife wants it even, so I might have to be making another one. So I won't film that. That will be something I do extra. But I wish to thank everybody for joining me on this bookcase journey. So, I'll just leave it like that. I gotta lay it down anyways. So thank you guys, and please subscribe, and I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Leave any comments down below, what you guys think about it, any way you guys think I could improve it. Let me know. I'm more than happy to take critiques. I That's how you get better. So I may not agree with everything you say, but I will listen to them. Thank you and have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.